1번 인코테엄즈 등록 상표 2010룰즈상의 매도인의 의무, 더 셀러즈 아블러게이션즈에 관한 항목이 아닌 것은? 1번 프로비전 오브 고즈즈인 컨포어머티 위드 더 컨트랙트. 2번 라이선시즈, 오서러제이션즈, 시큐리티 클리런스 앤드 어더 포멀러티즈. 3번 엘러케이션 오브 코스츠. 4번 트랜스퍼 오브 리스크스. 5번 어시스턴스 위드 인포메이션 앤드 릴레이티드 코스츠. 정답은 1번입니다. 2번 다음 내용이 설명하고 있는 용어로 옳은 것은? 1번 커스텀 클리런스 코스츠. 2번 딜리버리 차어지즈. 3번 터미널 핸들링 차어지즈. 4번 인쇼런스 커버 차어지즈. 5번 컨테이너 핸들링 코스츠. 정답은 3번입니다. 3번 다음 무역용어에 대한 설명이 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 컨펌드 이레버커벨 레터 오브 크레디트 on LC issued by the importers bank and confirmed by A bank usually in the exporters country. The obligation of the second bank is added to the obligation of the issuing bank to honor drafts presented in accordance with the terms of credit. 2번 open account, evidence of that, promissory note, draft, etc. is drawn and the payment may be enforceable. Transaction is payable when it is specified on invoice. 3번 DA:on importer accepts bills to be paid on due date and obtains documents and then goes. Therefore, the exporter gains a potentially negotiable financial instrument in the form of a document pledging payment within a certain time period. 4번 DP:on importer pays bills and obtains documents and then goes. Therefore, the exporter retains control of the goods until payment. 5번 cash against documents, a method of payment for goods in which documents transferring title are given to the buyer upon payment of cash to an intermediary acting for the seller, usually a commission house. 정답은 2번입니다. 4번 다음 인코테엄즈 등록 상표 2010룰즈의 내용에서 단에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은? 1번 FCA, FCADF. 2번 DAT, DAT, DQ. 3번 DAP, DAP, DS. 4번 DDP, DDP, DQ. 5번 CFR, CFR, EDS. 정답은 3번입니다. 5번 인코테엄즈 등록 상표 2010 활용 방법 How to use the 인코테엄즈 등록 상표 2010 룰즈에 관한 내용으로 옳은 것은? 1번 인코테엄즈 등록 상표 2010 룰즈도 not say which party to the sale contract has the obligation to make carriage or insurance arrangements. The seller delivers the goods to the buyer, and which costs each party is responsible for. 2번 인코테엄즈 등록 상표 2010 룰즈 can provide a complete contract of sale. 3번 인코테엄즈 등록 상표 2010 룰즈 can also provide the guidelines about the price to be paid or the method of its payment. 4번 through express terms in the contract of sale or in the law governing that contract. The transfer of ownership of the goods and the consequences of the breach of contract are normally dealt with. 5번 The parties should be aware that mandatory local law cannot override any aspect of the sale contract, including the 초전 인코테엄즈 등록 상표 2010 룰. 정답은 4번입니다. 6번 오품질 조건에 관한 다음 내용에서 안에 들어갈 용어는? 1번 테일 퀘일리 TQ. 2번 라이텀즈 RT. 3번 C 데미지드 SD. 4번 페어 에브리지 퀄러티 FAQ. 5번 고드 머천터벨 퀄러티 GMQ. 정답은 1번입니다. 7번 국제물품복합운송에 관한 유엔 협약 1980 상해 주연물에 관한 특별 규칙, 스페셜 룰즈 온 데인저러스 고즈즈에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 더 컨사이너 쉘마억 오어 레이벨인 에이스터벨 매너 데인저러스 고즈즈 에즈 데인저러스. 2번 더 컨사이너 핸즈 오버 데인저러스 고즈즈 투 더 멀티모델 트랜스포어트 아퍼레이터 더 컨사이너 셀 인포엄 힘 오브 더 데인저러스 캐릭터 오브 더 고즈즈 앤드 if necessary 더 프리코션즈 투 비 테이컨. 3번 if the consignor fails to do so and the multimodal transport operator does not otherwise have knowledge of their dangerous character, the goods may at any time be unloaded, destroyed or rendered innocuous, as the circumstances may require, with some payment of compensation. 4번 The provisions of special rules on dangerous goods in this convention may not be invoked by any person if during the multimodal transport he has taken the goods in his charge with knowledge of their dangerous character. 5번 If the consignor fails to do so and the multimodal transport operator does not otherwise have knowledge of their dangerous character, the consignor shall be liable to the multimodal transport operator for loss resulting from the shipment of such goods. 정답은 3번입니다. 8번 다음 내용이 설명하고 있는 용어로 옳은 것은? 1번 디머리지, 2번 디스패치 머니, 3번 차어터 커미션, 4번 디마이즈 차어터, 5번 디덕터벨. 정답은 1번입니다. 9번 국제물품복합운송에 관한 유엔 협약 1980 상해 복합운송인의 책임에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 The responsibility of the multimodal transport operator for the goods covers the period from the time he takes the goods in his charge to the time of their delivery. 2번 The multimodal transport operator shall be liable for the acts and omissions of his servants or agents. Any such servant or agent is acting within the scope of his employment. 3번 If the multimodal transport operator proves that he, his servants or agents took all measures that could reasonably be required to avoid the occurrence and its consequences, the multimodal transport operator shall not be liable for loss resulting from loss or damage to the goods. 4번 Delay in delivery occurs when the goods have not been delivered within the time expressly agreed upon or in the absence of such agreement, within 30 consecutive days. 5번 If the goods have not been delivered within 90 consecutive days following the date of delivery, the claimant may treat the goods as lost. 정답은 4번입니다. 10번 국제물품매매 계약에 관한 유엔 협약, 비엔나 협약, 1980, 제74조, 당사자 일방의 계약 위반 시 손해배상액 산정의 원칙의 내용이 잘못 표현된 부분은? 1번 A sum equal to the loss, 2번 may exceed, 3번 the party in breach, 4번 at the time of conclusion of the contract, 5번 the breach of contract. 정답은 2번입니다. 11번 다음 선적 서류의 내용에서 안에 들어갈 옳은 용어는? 1번 커스텀즈 리시트, 2번 커머셜 인보이스, 3번 머린 인쇼런스 팔러시, 4번 엑스포어트 라이선스, 5번 서티퍼키트 오브 오러진. 정답은 2번입니다. 12번 화한 신용장 통일 규칙 UCP 600 상해 용선계약 선화증권 차어터 파워티 빌 오브 레이딩에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 차어터 파워티 빌 오브 레이딩 however named must appear to be signed by the master or a named agent for on behalf of the master. 2번 차어터 파워티 빌 오브 레이딩 must appear to indicate that the goods have been shipped on board a named vessel at the port of loading stated in the credit by preprinted wording, or an on-board notation indicating the date on which the goods have been shipped on board. 3번. The date of issuance of the charter party bill of lading will be deemed to be the date of shipment unless the charter party bill of lading contains an on-board notation indicating the date of shipment, in which case the date stated in the on-board notation will be deemed to be the date of shipment. 4번. Charter party bill of lading must appear to indicate shipment from the port of loading to the port of discharge stated in the credit. The port of discharge may also be shown as a range of ports or a geographical area, as stated in the credit. 5번. A bank should examine charter party contracts. 2번 if they are required to be presented by the terms of the credit. 정답은 5번입니다. 13번 인코테엄즈 등록 상표 2010 룰즈의 주요 특징에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 The number of incoterms rules has been reduced from 13 to 11 under D8 and DAP rules. Delivery occurs at the named destination in date at the buyer's disposal on the arriving means of transport as under the former DQ rule in DAP. Likewise at the buyer's disposal, but ready for unloading as under the former DF, DS and DDU rules. 2번 The subtitle of the Incoterms 등록 상표 2010 rules formally recognizes that they are available for application to both international and domestic sale contracts. As a result, the Incoterms 등록 상표 2010 rules clearly state in a number of places that the obligation to comply with export-import formalities exists only where applicable. 3번 The guidance notes are not part of the actual Incoterms 등록 상표 2010 rules, but are intended to help the user accurately and efficiently steer towards the appropriate Incoterms rule for a particular transaction. 4번 The Incoterms 등록 상표 2010 rules have allocated obligations with the buyer and seller to obtain or to render assistance in obtaining security-related clearances, such as chain of custody information, in Articles A to B2 and A10, B10 of various Incoterms rules. 5번 The seller in the middle of the string performs its obligations towards its buyer not by shipping the goods, but by procuring goods that have been shipped. Incoterms 등록 상표 2010 rules include the obligation to procure goods shipped as an alternative to the obligation to ship goods in the relevant Incoterms rules. 정답은 1번입니다. 14번 다음 인코테엄즈 등록 상표 2010 룰즈에서 위험의 이전이 목적지에서 이루어지는 것은? 1번 The seller delivers the goods on board the vessel or procures the goods already so delivered. The seller must contract for and pay the costs and freight necessary to bring the goods to the named port of destination. 2번 In this rule, the seller must contract for and pay the costs and freight necessary to bring the goods to the named port of destination. The seller also contracts for insurance cover against the buyer's risk of loss of or damage to the goods during the carriage. The buyer should note that the seller is required to obtain insurance only on minimum cover. 3번 The seller delivers the goods to the carrier or another person nominated by the seller at an agreed place, if any such place is agreed with the parties, and that the seller must contract for and pay the costs of carriage necessary to bring the goods to the named place of destination. 4번 The seller delivers the goods to the carrier or another person nominated by the buyer at the seller's premises or another named place. The parties are well advised to specify as clearly as possible the point within the named place of delivery. 5번 The seller delivers the goods when the goods are placed at the disposal of the buyer, cleared for import on the arriving means of transport ready for unloading at the named place of destination. The seller bears all the costs and risks involved in bringing the goods to the place of destination and has an obligation to clear the goods not only for export but also for import, to pay any duty for both export and import and to carry out all customs formalities. 정답은 5번입니다. 15번 화환신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600 상의 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 Complying presentation means a presentation that is in accordance with the terms and conditions of the credit, the applicable provisions of these rules and international standard banking practice. 2번 Honor means a. to pay aside if the credit is available by side payment. b. to incur a deferred payment undertaking and pay at maturity if the credit is available by deferred payment. c. to accept a bill of exchange drawn by the applicant and pay at maturity if the credit is available by acceptance. 3번 confirmation means a definite undertaking of the confirming bank, in addition to that of the issuing bank, to honor or negotiate a complying presentation. 4번 Banking day means a day on which a bank is regularly open at the place at which an act subject to these rules is to be performed. 5번 Negotiation means the purchase by the nominated bank of drafts drawn on a bank other than the nominated bank, and or documents under a complying presentation, by advancing or agreeing to advance funds to the beneficiary on or before the banking day on which reimbursement is due to the nominated bank. 정답은 2번입니다. 16번 다음 계약서의 내용에서 안에 들어갈 옳은 용어는? 1번 claims, 2번 abomination, 3번 infringement, 4번 violation, 5번 governing law. 정답은 3번입니다. 17번 화환신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600 상해 서류심사기준 스탠다드 포 이그제머네이션 오브 다큐먼츠에 관한 내용으로 옳은 것은? 1번 A nominated bank acting on its nomination, confirming bank, if any, and the issuing bank must examine a presentation to determine, on the basis of the documents and goes together, whether or not the documents appear on their face to constitute a complying presentation. 2번 이 document cannot be dated prior to the issuance date of the credit and must not be dated later than its date of presentation. 3번 data in a document, read in context with the credit, the document itself and international standard banking practice need not be identical to, but must not conflict with, data in that document, any other stipulated document or the credit. 4번 A nominated bank acting on its nomination, a confirming bank, if any, and the issuing bank shall each have a maximum of 5 banking days from the date of presentation to determine if a presentation is complying. 5번 The addresses of the beneficiary and the applicant appear in any stipulated document. They need to be the same as those stated in the credit or in any other stipulated document, and must be within the same country as the respective addresses mentioned in the credit. 정답은 3번입니다. 18번 국제물품매매계약에 관한 유엔 협약, 비엔나 협약, 1980 상해 계약의 성립, 포어메이션 오브 더 컨트랙트에 관한 내용으로 옳은 것은? 1번 A proposal for concluding a contract addressed to one or more specific persons constitutes an offer if it is sufficiently definite and indicates the intention of the offeror to be bound in case of acceptance. 2번 An offer becomes effective when it reaches the offeree. An offer cannot be withdrawn if the withdrawal reaches the offeree before or at the same time as the offer. 3번 Until a contract is concluded, an offer may be revoked if the revocation reaches the offeree before he has dispatched an acceptance. An offer can also be revoked if it indicates, by stating a fixed time for acceptance or otherwise, that it is irrevocable. 4번 An acceptance is effective if the indication of assent does not reach the offerer within the time he has fixed or, if no time is fixed, within a reasonable time, to account being taken of the circumstances of the transaction, including the rapidity of the means of communication employed by the offerer. 5번 Official holidays or non-business days occurring during the period for acceptance are not included in calculating the period. 정답은 1번입니다. 19번 5 국제물품매매 계약에 관한 유엔 협약, 비엔나 협약, 1980 상해 매도인의 의무사항, 가블러게이션즈 오브 더 셀러에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 If the seller is bound to arrange for carriage of the goods, he must make such contracts as are necessary for carriage to the place fixed by means of transportation appropriate in the circumstances and according to the usual terms for such transportation. 2번 The buyer loses the right to rely on a lack of conformity of the goods if he does not give notice to the seller specifying the nature of the lack of conformity within a reasonable time after he has discovered it or ought to have discovered it. 3번 The seller must deliver goods which are free from any right or claim of a third party, unless the buyer agreed to take the goods subject to that right or claim. 4번 The seller is liable in accordance with the contract and this convention, Vienna Convention, for any lack of conformity which exists at the time when the risk passes to the buyer, even though the lack of conformity becomes apparent only after that time. 5번 The buyer must examine the goods, or cause them to be examined, within as short a period as is practicable in the circumstances. If the contract involves carriage of the goods, examination may not be deferred until after the goods have arrived at their destination. 정답은 5번입니다. 20번 영국물품매매법 Sale of Goods Act 1979 상해 매매계약 Contract of Sale에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 A contract of sale of goods is a contract by which the seller transfers or agrees to transfer the property in goods to the buyer for a money consideration, called the price. 2번 There may a contract of sale be one part owner and another. A contract of sale may be absolute or conditional. 3번 Under a contract of sale the transfer of the property in the goods is to take place at a future time or subject to some condition later to be fulfilled. The contract is called a sale. 4번 An agreement to sell becomes a sale when the time elapses or the conditions are fulfilled subject to which the property in the goods is to be transferred. 5번 Under a contract of sale the property in the goods is transferred from the seller to the buyer. The contract is called a sale. A contract of sale may be absolute or conditional. 정답은 3번입니다. 21번 다음 무역용어에 대한 설명이 옳지 않은 것은 1번 bankruptcy The condition of a legal entity that does not have the financial means to pay their incurred debts as they come due. 2번 barely The intentional misconduct of the ship's master or crew includes theft, intentional casting away of vessel, or breach of trust. 3번 clean bill of lading Bill of lading which does not contain clauses or notations declaring a defective condition of the goods and or the packaging. 4번 consolidator For the who gathers mixed cargo in order to better utilize the space in transport containers. 5번 Bill of exchange A form of check especially designed for travelers, including persons on vacation and business trips. 정답은 5번입니다. 22번 협회적 하약관 ICC, C. 2009에서 담보 위험이 아닌 것은 1번 파이어워 익스플로전 2번 제너럴 에브리지 세크러파이스 3번 디스차어지 오브 카우고 앳 에이포어트 오브 디스트레스. 4번 와싱 오버보어드. 5번 제터선. 정답은 4번입니다. 23번 영국 한어헌법 빌즈 오브 익스체인지 액트 1882 상의 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 이 빌 오브 익스체인지 is an unconditional order in writing addressed by one person to another signed by the person giving it requiring the person to whom it is addressed to pay on demand or at a fixed or determinable future time a sum certain in money to or to the order of a specified person. or to bearer. 2번 이 bill may be addressed to two or more droids whether they are partners or not, but an order addressed to two droids in the alternative or to two or more droids in succession is not a bill of exchange. 3번 A bill contains words prohibiting transfer, or indicating an intention that it should not be transferable. It is valid as bitter parties thereto, but is not negotiable. 4번 A bill is payable to bearer which is expressed to be so payable, or on which the only or last endorsement is an endorsement in blank. 5번 A bill is payable at a fixed period after date, after sight, or after the happening of a specified event. The time of payment is determined by including the day from which the time is to begin to run and by including the day of payment. 정답은 5번입니다. 24번 해상화물운송에 관한 유엔 협약 햄버그 룰즈 1978 상해 용어에 관한 설명으로 옳은 것은? 1번 carrier means any person who in a contract of carriage undertakes to perform or to procure the performance of transport by sea, road or inland waterway or by combination of such modes. 2번 actual carrier means any person who gives a notification for the performance of the carriage of the goods, or of part of the carriage and any person in whose name a contract of carriage of the goods by sea has been concluded with a carrier. 3번 consignee means the person entitled to take delivery of the goods or any person by whom or in whose name or on whose behalf a contract of carriage of goods by sea has been concluded with a carrier. 4번 goods includes live animals, where the goods are consolidated in a container, pallet or similar article of transport or where they are packed. Goods don't include such article of transport or packaging if supplied by the shipper. 5번 Bill of lading means a document which evidences a contract of carriage by sea and the taking of or loading of the goods by the carrier, and by which the carrier undertakes to deliver the goods against surrender of the document. 정답은 5번입니다. 25번 협회적 하약관 ICC A CL 382 2009에서 규정하고 있는 면책 조항이 아닌 것은? 1번 로스 데미지 or expense unrebutable to willful misconduct of the assured. 2번 ordinary leakage, ordinary loss in weight or volume, or ordinary wear and tear of the subject matter insured. 3번 loss damage or expense caused by inherent vice or nature of the subject matter insured. 4번 deliberate damage to or deliberate destruction of the subject matter insured or any part thereof by the wrongful act of any person or persons. 5번 loss damage or expense directly or indirectly caused by or arising from the use of any weapon or device employing atomic or nuclear fission and or fusion or other like reaction or radioactive force or matter. 정답은 4번입니다. 26번 신용장 방식에 의한 아래 수출 절차의 내용을 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은? 1번 가, 나, 다, 라, 마. 2번 가, 다, 나, 마, 라. 3번 다, 가, 나, 라, 마. 4번 다, 나, 마, 라, 가. 5번 다, 마, 라, 가, 라. 정답은 2번입니다. 27번 다음 중 영작이 가장 잘못된 것은? 1번. 당사는 뱅 오브 어메리커 뉴욕 지점 앞으로 일람 후 91부 환어음을 취소 불능 신용장에 의거하여 발행하였으며 환어음이 제시되면 결제해 주시기 바랍니다. We have drawn a draft at 90days after signed on the Bank of America, New York under an irrevocable LC and ask you to honor it on presentation. 2번. 귀하의 여정을 알려주시면 감사하겠습니다. We would appreciate it if you would let us know your itinerary. 3번. 귀사의 회신이 7월 6일까지 당사에 도착할 것을 조건으로 하여 확정 청약합니다. We offer you firm subject to your reply reaching us by July 6. 4번. 당사가 받은 주문서에는 지급 조건이 선적일자 후 60일로 되어 있습니다만 일람불 지급으로 해주시기 바랍니다. According to purchase order we received, payment was to be made at 60 days after sight but we want to be at 요전스. 5번. 귀사가 실제로 경쟁적인 가격을 제시한다면 귀사에게 정기적인 주문을 하겠습니다. If you quote us a really competitive price, we will give you regular orders. 정답은 4번입니다. 28번 인코테엄즈 등록 상표 2010룰즈상의 DAP 규칙에서 매도인의 의무가 아닌 것은? 1번. The seller must contract at its own expense for the carriage of the goods to the named place of destination or to the agreed point, if any, at the named place of destination. 2번. If a specific point is not agreed or is not determined by practice, the seller may select the point at the named place of destination that best suits its purpose. 3번. The seller must deliver the goods by placing them at the disposal of the buyer on the arriving means of transport ready for unloading at the agreed point, if any, at the named place of destination on the agreed date or within the agreed period. 4번. The seller must pay any charges for unloading at the place of destination that were for the seller's accounts under the contract of carriage. 5번. The seller must, at its own expense, package the goods, only if it is usual for the particular trade to transport the type of goods sold unpackaged. 정답은 5번입니다. 29번. 다음 문장을 올바르게 영작한 것은? 1번. As our draft was not available, please negotiate for the matter with the drawer and let them protect it at once. 2번. As our draft was dishonored, please negotiate for the matter with the drawer and let them protect it at once. 3번. As our draft was dishonored, please negotiate for the matter with the drawer and let them collect it at once. 4번. As our check was dishonored, please negotiate for the matter with the drawer and let them protect it at once. 5번. As our check was not available, please negotiate for the matter with the drawer and let them process it at once. 정답은 2번입니다. 30번. 계약의 변경에 관한 다음 무역통신문의 내용을 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은? 1번. 가, 나, 라, 마, 다. 2번. 나, 라, 다, 가, 마. 3번. 다, 라, 마, 가, 나. 4번. 라, 가, 나, 다, 마. 5번. 마, 라, 가, 나, 다. 정답은 4번입니다. 31번. 전자적 제시를 위한 보칙, DOCP, 버전 1.1, 상의 제시, 프레젠테이션에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번. On EOCP credit allowing presentation of electronic records must state a place for presentation of the electronic records. 2번. On EOCP credit allowing presentation of both electronic records and paper documents must also state a place for presentation of the paper documents. 3번. Electronic records may be presented separately and need not be presented at the same time. 4번. If an EOCP credit allows for presentation of one or more electronic records, The bank is responsible for providing a notice to the beneficiary to which presentation is made signifying when the presentation is complete. 5번 Each presentation of an electronic record and the presentation of paper documents under an EUCP credit must identify the EUCP credit under which it is presented. 정답은 4번입니다. 32번 화환신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600 상의 사용가능성, 유효기일 및 제시장소, availability, expiry date and place for presentation 에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 The place of the bank with which the credit is available is the place for presentation. The place for presentation under a credit available with any bank is that of any bank. A place for presentation other than that of the issuing bank is not added to the place of the issuing bank. 2번 이 credit must state an expiry date for presentation. An expiry date stated for an hour negotiation will be deemed to be an expiry date for presentation. 3번 이 credit must state the bank with which it is available or whether it is available with any bank. A credit available with a nominated bank is also available with the issuing bank. 4번 이 credit must state whether it is available by side payment, deferred payment, acceptance or negotiation. 5번 이 credit must not be issued available by a draft drawn on the applicant. 정답은 1번입니다. 33번 화환신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600 상해 항공운송 서류 에어 트랜스포어트 다큐먼트에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 An air transport document, however named, must appear to indicate the name of the carrier and be signed by the carrier, or a named agent for on behalf of the carrier. 2번 An air transport document, however named, must appear to indicate that the goods have been accepted for carriage. 3번 An air transport document, however named, must appear to be the original for consignor or shipper, even if the credit stipulates a full set of originals. 4번 An air transport document may not indicate that the goods will or may be transshipped, provided that the entire carriage is covered by one and the same air transport document. 5번 An air transport document indicating that transshipment will or may take place is acceptable, even if the credit prohibits transshipment. 정답은 4번입니다. 34번 추심에 관한 통일규칙 URC 522 상해 서류대 대 물품 서비스 이행 다큐먼츠 vs 고즈즈 서비스 퍼포먼시즈에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 Banks have no obligation to take any action in respect of the goods to which a documentary collection relates, including storage and insurance of the goods even when specific instructions are given to do so. 2번 Goods should not be dispatched directly to the address of a bank or consigned to or to the order of a bank without prior agreement on the part of that bank. 3번 In the event that goods are dispatched directly to the address of a bank or consigned to or to the order of a bank for release to a drawee against payment or acceptance or upon other terms and conditions without prior agreement on the part of that bank, such bank shall have no obligation to take delivery of the goods. 4번 이 charges and or expenses incurred by banks in connection with any action taken to protect the goods will be for the account of the party from whom they received the collection. 5번 In the case that banks take action for the protection of the goods, if instructed, they may assume liability or responsibility with regard to the paid and or condition of the goods. 정답은 5번입니다. 35번 다음 문장을 영문으로 가장 적절하게 표현한 것은 1번 Before inspection of the goods, the The size and color not to be quite different from what we ordered. 2번 On inspection of the goods, the size and color turned out to be quite different from what we ordered. 3번 On inspection of the goods, the size and color turned out to be so different as to what we ordered. 4번 Before inspection of the goods, the size and color turned up to be quite different from what we ordered. 5번 On inspection of the goods, the size and color turned up to be quite different from those we ordered. 정답은 2번입니다. 36번 이 다음 문장을 가장 올바르게 해석한 것은 1번 귀사가 주문한 상품들은 현재 품절 중이지만 대체품으로 아이템 2번을 추천합니다. 상표는 다르지만 품질면에서 주문한 것과 유사합니다. 2번 귀사가 주문한 상품들은 현재 입고 중이지만 대체품으로 아이템 2번을 추천합니다. 상표는 다르지만 품질면에서 주문한 것과 유사합니다. 3번 귀사가 주문한 상품들은 현재 품절 중이지만 유사품으로 아이템 2번을 추천합니다. 상표는 다르지만 품질면에서 주문한 것과 유사합니다. 4번 귀사가 주문한 상품들은 현재 품절 중이지만 대체품으로 아이템 2번을 추천합니다. 상표는 다르지만 품질면에서 주문한 것과 동일합니다. 5번 귀사가 주문한 상품들은 현재 품절 중이지만 대체품으로 아이템 2번을 추천합니다. 외양은 다르지만 품질면에서 주문한 것과 유사합니다. 정답은 1번입니다. 37번 5 국제물품매매 계약에 관한 유엔 협약, 비엔나 협약, 1980 상해 매수인의 계약 위반에 따른 매도인의 구제권에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 The seller may require the buyer to pay the price, take delivery or perform his other obligations, unless the seller has resorted to a remedy which is inconsistent with this requirement. 2번 The seller may fix an additional period of time of reasonable length for performance by the buyer of his obligations. 3번 Unless the seller has received notice from the buyer that he will not perform within the period so fixed, the seller may not, during that period, resort to any remedy for breach of contract. 4번 The seller may declare the contract avoided if the failure by the buyer to perform any of his obligations under the contract or this convention amounts to any partial breach of contract. 5번 If the seller makes the specification himself, he must inform the buyer of the details thereof and must fix a reasonable time within which the buyer may make a different specification. 정답은 4번입니다. 38번 다음은 국제물품매매 계약에 관한 유엔 협약, 비엔나 협약, 1980 상해 계약 해제 시 손해배상금의 산정에 관한 내용이다. 에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 리플레이스먼트, 리솔드, 리워드, 서브스터투트 2번 서브스터투트, 솔드, 리커버, 리플레이스먼트 3번 리플레이스먼트, 리솔드, 리커버, 서브스터투트 4번 리플레이스먼트, 리커버드, 리워드, 서브스터투트 5번 올터너티브, 솔드, 리커버, 리플레이스먼트. 정답은 3번입니다. 39번 추심에 관한 통일규칙 URC 522 상해 추심지시서 컬렉션 인스트럭션에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 Details of the drawing including flame, postal address, or the damosel at which presentation is to be made, and if applicable telex, telephone and facsimile numbers. 2번 Instructions in case of payment, acceptance and or compliance with other instructions. 3번 Charges to be collected, indicating whether they may be waived or not. 4번 Details of the bank from which the collection was received including flame, postal and swift addresses, telex, telephone, facsimile numbers and reference. 5번 Details of the presenting bank, if any, including full-name, postal address, and if applicable, telex, telephone and fake smile numbers. 정답은 2번입니다. 40번 5 추심에 관한 통일 규칙, URC 522, 상해 추심에 관련 당사자에 관한 다음 내용에서 반에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은? 1번, 드로이, 컬렉팅 뱅, 리미팅 뱅, 프리젠팅 뱅. 2번, 프린서펠, 니고시에이팅 뱅, 컬렉팅 뱅, 이슈잉 뱅. 3번, 프린서펠, 컬렉팅 뱅, 리미팅 뱅, 프리젠팅 뱅. 4번, 프린서펠, 리미팅 뱅, 컬렉팅 뱅, 프리젠팅 뱅. 5번, 드로이, 리미팅 뱅, 니고시에이팅 뱅, 리미팅 뱅. 정답은 4번입니다.